Hillbilly Vegan here. We're going to make a old-fashioned recipe for mulled ale, English style. So I've got some ale here. Important to use ale that's full-bodied. In this case, it's backward bastard. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of nutmeg. And then I'm going to subject this to a hot poker, and that will caramelize the malt in the beer as well as the sugar and make a warm, spicy drink. Now we have the poker in the fire, getting red hot, as you can see. And what we're going to do is take that poker and we're going to thrust it into the mulled ale. And the important part is listening to the sound. You can see it's warming up, it's foaming. Take it out. Let's try it out. To your health.